Hey you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Today I'll be showing you guys my makeup routine. This is like the fastest makeup routine. If you are like on a time limited thing here, this tutorial is for you. And this look for about a month now, but I've been just playing it, see how I'm gonna show y'all. If I really want to show y'all, you know, and I think I did, so that's why I did it today. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. You know, just stay tuned for more makeup tutorials to come. I've been doing so many. So if y'all have any makeup requests, please make sure y'all leave that in the comments as well. You see like the difference when you add like the highlight. It just gives you more of a glow. So that's why I do the glow, y'all. So if anyone's wondering why do I do my glow, that's really the reason. Make sure you like. Okay. See? And this side has a lot more because I don't know. I always go hard with this side, y'all. A little bit. Just towards the end. So we're not going to go deep with this. Okay. So stretch it out, pull it out. Side. That side is drying. We just work on the other side. And like y'all, it doesn't take much work to look pretty. Like, okay. Okay, well, now like all I do left is like I'll go in with like my pressed powder to make it stay. I should have did that first, but I'm just gonna do a little bit on my cheeks and that's about it. That was way too much, y'all. That's like hands, okay? And you just want to go lightly and just dab it off. And just put it on your face like that. Just so everything blends. And, you know, it just looks so much cleaner and better. Okay. It's like literally all we're doing. Alright, y'all. Next, we're gonna just, all we're gonna do left is we're gonna just do our lipstick, and like, yo, that's it. Like, that's how our tutorial goes. It's so easy, it's fast, so, you know, that's all we do. My LA Color lip pencil. I'm not sure what the shade is. I believe. Okay, the shade's chocolate, y'all. So it's really pretty. And then, what I like to do is going with my lipstick from LA Colors. So they're both LA Colors, y'all. And this is the shade Twinkle. You guys can't even see it. It's like, but it's called Twinkle. And I like to go, I put it on my finger, okay, because it looks so much better. When you use your fingers to blend it out than anything, y'all. I learned that trick from Jordan Woods. Y'all know who that is. Y'all need to look her up, but y'all can see. A little mistake. That's okay. And one good thing about making a mistake, if it's light, you can just like wipe it up. And you want, all you gotta do is add some blush to this. If you want to actually add a little bit of extraness, you know, that's about it. But you can leave it like this. And I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with the blush. This is my new wig, y'all. I gotta do a review as well. But you can't see my brows when I wear this like this. But I look Asian or something.